Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So, are you excited about the Bluetooth? So, here is one of the exciting project which will be going to control the LEDs over the Bluetooth friends. So, here we are using the Android Bluetooth control app on the Android mobile. We are sending the data over the Bluetooth and ESP32 module receive the data and controls the LED friends. So without any further delay, let us jump into the project friends. For this project, controlling the LEDs by using the ESP32 Bluetooth, what are the resources that are required, friends? The most important one will be the ESP32 development kit, friends. You can see it over here. This is ESP32 development. The second, the most important one will be the breadboard. So we are keeping the ESP32 on this breadboard, friends. And for the controlling this one, I am taking the two LEDs. The first one will be the red LED, the second one will be the blue LED, friend. In order to control it, so I am taking as a two 220 ohm resistors. You can see it over here, friends. In order to do the connection, I am taking the jumper wire, that is male to male. You can see it over here, friends. In order to get the power from the laptop, one side I am taking USB-A, other side I am taking the micro B USB, friends. So these are the required resources for this project, friends. Now let us see the connections, friends. So now I'm taking the micro USB onto the top side. You can see the view of the ESP32 board like this. Onto my left hand side, you can see the ground and D2 and D4. Onto my right hand side, there is a red LED connected with a resistor of a 220 and a blue LED is connected with a resistor of a 220. So now let us complete the connections, friends. So from D2, I am taking, you can see it over here, friends. I am taking over here and I am handovering onto the red LED, friends. Now I am taking from D4. Okay, now you can see it out here, friends. I am connecting and I am giving on the blue LED, friend. Okay, now I am taking from the ground. You can see it over here. I am giving on to the resistors, the red LED and the blue LED, friend. So this is the ESP32 board which is having the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi chip on this one. So we are going to use the BT to control the LEDs. We have given onto the D2 and D4, friends. So we are representing the red LED as LED1 and this blue LED as LED2, friends. So in our representation, LED1 is red LED and the blue LED will be the LED2. The red LED is connected to the D2 pin of the ESP32 and the blue one is connected to the D4 pin of the ESP32, friends. So these are the connections, friends. Now let us see the live connection, friends. So I have taken the ESP32 board and I have placed on the one side of the breadboard and I have taken one red LED. You can see the anode is one side and cathode is one side. And similarly, I have taken the blue LED, anode is one side and cathode is one side, friends. So like this I have connected. You can see it over here. Now I am taking as an 220 ohm resistors, the other end of the resistor to the common ground. I am giving over here, friends. You can see it over here. And I am taking one more 220 ohm resistor. I am connecting to here to the here, friends. So you can see 220 ohms from the cathode. I have connected to this one and I am taking the ground. You can see it over here and I am giving on to the second pin. So first one is the 3.3, the second one will be the ground. You can see it over here, friends. This is the 3.3, the second one will be the ground, friends. So I am giving on to the ground. So this part is completed. Now I am taking as a D2 You can see it over here. After the ground, D15 will be there and followed by D2. I am giving over here to the red LED. You can see it over here. After that one, I am taking from the D4. You can see it over here. And I am giving on to the blue LED, friends. You can see it over here. So these are the connections. So in order to get the power and flashing, this is the micro USB I am connecting to here, friend. So this one I need to connect to the laptop for flashing and get the power, friend. So these are the required connections in order to control the LEDs by using the BT in the ESP32, friends. Now let us see the code walk, friends. So I open the Arduino IDE 2.1.0 and in the board I have selected ESP32 development dev module. The related modules, the related libraries I have installed it, friends. The first one I am including Bluetooth serial.h. The class is nothing but the Bluetooth serial. The class instance I am giving as in a serial BT, friends. And I am taking the two LEDs, that is LED1 and LED2, which is connected over the D2 and D4, friends. In the setup function, the first line I am initializing the UART with a baud rate 1,15,200 and BT serial. I am giving the Bluetooth device name ESP32 as per your convention, as per the things you can modify it, friends. The pin mode LED1 is output and I am making as a low by using the digital write. Pin mode LED2 I am making as output and digital write LED2 as a low, friends. So these things I am doing in the setup function, friends. In the low functions, the data I am receiving over the BT in the serial mode. If it is available, then I am reading the string and storing onto the data, friends, whose data type is string, friends. That data I am handovering to the handle data function as argument as a data, friends. In the handle data, first line I am doing the printing the data over the UART. If the data is equal to LED1 on, if it is comparing, if it is matches, then I am writing LED1 as a high. The same information I am printing over the UART as well as the BT serial, friends. Similarly, LED1 off, LED2 on and LED2 off. So these are the four conditions I am checking. That is nothing but the LED1 on, LED1 off, LED2 on, LED2 off. So these are the four things I am checking and I am making the LED1 and LED2 on and off, friends. So this is the code. And this BT has a lot of profiles, friends, out of which what we are doing is a serial profile, friends. Now let me go to the sketch and verify and compile. Now let us see compilation process, friends. Now it was compiling the sketch. Now what I am doing is I am connecting the ESP32 onto the laptop, friends. Go here, ESP32 dev module COM4. So now I am going over here and I am flashing. Now you can see the flashing process, it has been started. Now you can see the uploading. We can see the percentage over here, 100% is completed. Now you can see it over here. Now you can go to the tools and serial monitor. You can select 1,15,200. You can see the response here, friends. Now let us see the demo, friends. For this one, we are using the Android mobile. In that Play Store, we need to install Arduino Bluetooth control, friends. And we need to enable the Bluetooth and scan for the device with ESP32 as we mentioned in the code, friends. So after we are pairing, so we are opening the Arduino Bluetooth control and there we are having, and in the terminal we are going to type in data to send. So LED1 on, LED1 off, LED2 on, LED2 off. So these are the 4 commands we are sending, friends. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, friends. Thanks for watching this video, friends.